When it comes to gaming, quick thinking and fast decisions can make or break you. Reaction is measured in fractions of a second. We've now designed the fastest mouse switch in gaming so you can secure victory with the speed of light. Traditional mouse switches actuate a click via physical contact to send electrical signals to your computer. Because of the way mechanical switches are designed, it creates a bouncing effect momentarily after you click your mouse. Imagine extending a flexible ruler out the side of a table and then giving it a slap. This bouncing effect can result in sending multiple signals, which can cause unintended clicks. To ensure that only a single click is detected, a debounce software is used to block out additional signals within a set period. This is known as debounce delay. The downside of debounce delay is that it results in slower response time. The solution is the Razer Optical mouse switch. When you click on the mouse, the switch shutter opens and the infrared light beam passes through, sending a signal to your computer in an instant. No physical contact is needed to send electrical signals, so there's no bouncing effect and no need for debounce delay. The result? Instant actuation and a response time of up to 0.2 milliseconds. This is 3 times faster than traditional mechanical switches. The great thing about not using physical contact to transmit electrical signals is that it also reduces wear and tear. We've tested its lifespan, and this goes up to a whopping 70 million clicks. This is one of the highest anyone's ever achieved with a mouse switch. What we've created is the perfect combination of performance and durability. We're setting a new benchmark in gaming mice technology, arming you with actuation at the speed of light. The Razer Optical mouse switch.
To make the ultimate gaming mouse, it needs speed and stability. It needs to be precise and instinctive. It needs to be light but strong. It needs to be reliable and swift. It needs to last. It needs to be ready. It needs a name.
In our pursuit of wireless performance that's as fast and stable as any wired mice, we've created a solution that blurs the lines between them. Introducing Razer Hyperspeed Wireless, our fastest wireless technology, designed for the highest levels of competitive gaming. Hyperspeed is 25% faster than any other wireless technology out there. And we've achieved this speed because of 2 things: data protocol optimization and an ultra-fast radio frequency, working together to produce the fastest on-air transmission speeds. What's more, this process draws less power from your mouse, so you can game for longer periods. But all this speed can't reach its full potential if there's noise and interference. And having your wireless mouse stutter and lag makes any game unplayable. For consistent peak performance, Razer Hyperspeed uses our new improved adaptive frequency technology, which scans available channels every millisecond to find the fastest frequency to take. This is crucial in helping you maintain a smooth connection in noisy, data-saturated environments like esports tournaments, where many devices compete on the same frequencies. With all these features working together, they produce a speed and stability unmatched by other wireless technology. And with the lowest click latency around, it delivers a performance trusted by top esports athletes. Experience the next generation of wireless gaming. Make the jump to Razer Hyperspeed Wireless.
The ultimate gaming mouse is a true extension of a gamer, and its sensor